Velverdo.com's CollaGum is genuinely one of the most exciting and effective natural solutions I've come across for anyone struggling with receding gums, tooth sensitivity, or that sinking feeling that your gums are just getting thinner over time. This clever brushing powder packs a huge 5,000 mg of hydrolyzed type 1 collagen peptides right into your daily brushing routine, delivering the exact building block your gums are starving for directly where it's needed most. Unlike pills or powders you swallow that mostly end up supporting skin, joints, or hair instead. The routine is super straightforward and feels almost too simple to be this powerful. Just wet your toothbrush, dip it lightly into the completely tasteless powder, gently brush and massage along the gum line for about a minute, then let it sit and absorb. Many people even leave it on overnight for an extra boost. Within the first 1 to 2 weeks, most users notice sensitivity dropping off dramatically, bleeding during brushing disappearing, and gums starting to feel firmer and less inflamed. After sticking with it for 8 weeks to 3+ months, the stories get really inspiring. People who've had recession for years despite flawless brushing and flossing report seeing the gum line actually creeping back up, pockets tightening, and teeth looking less long than before. What makes CollaGum so special is that it finally targets the real root issue: collagen loss in the gum tissue that happens naturally with age, stress, grinding, or aggressive brushing. Instead of just soothing symptoms like most gum products do, it gives your body the raw material to rebuild and strengthen the tissue from the inside out. Countless users say their dentists or periodontists were shocked at checkups, with some even canceling planned gum grafts after seeing measurable improvement. The 90-day money-back guarantee takes away all the risk, so you can try it with total peace of mind. If you're tired of expensive dental procedures, constant worry about your smile, or products that only give temporary relief, CollaGum feels like a real breakthrough. It's empowering, natural, and keeps delivering better results the longer you use it. Many people call it the best thing they've ever done for their oral health. Highly recommended if you want stronger, healthier gums and the confidence that comes with them.